Hey everybody, Bill with Family Handyman here. Today we're going to try a new product called Restore Coat, which is a brush-on flex paint. It's really designed for car seats, but you can use it on anything you have that's leather, vinyl, plastic, or canvas. I've got my sweetheart's old designer purse here that's pretty beat up, and I thought we'd give it a coat of this, and I thought we'd try this Heartthrob Red and give it a go and see how it looks. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get some good painter's tape. I like frog tape because it doesn't bleed on the edges, and you just mask off all the areas that you don't want to paint, obviously. In this case, the zippers, and there's some other buckles that we're going to attend to. And the next thing you do is use the surface prep that comes with the paint. This is a deglosser and cleaner that'll get the surface ready for paint. You just rub it in for a couple minutes and then let it dry, and you're good to go. So I'm done with this side of the purse. It looks pretty good. It's tricky to cut in along all the zipper areas. And it looks like it's pooled and not laying really flat, which I was worried about. But I did do the other side yesterday, and it really soaks in. It looks great. You can see the grain of the leather. This is a really great product, and I highly recommend it for reconditioning or recoloring. For more great products like this one, visit us at familyhandyman.com.